Okay, so in this video, we're going to take a look at multi-element selectors. So let's take everything that we have in our app.js and cut it out and paste it in to our single element selectors, and also create a new file. And we're going to call this 03 multi-element selectors. Okay, so everything that we do in our app, after that, we're going to copy it into a multi-element selectors file. So first thing, we are going to learn about getElementsByClassName. So element, and this is elements, not a single element, so multiple elements by class name. So how does this look? Now, first of all, we're going to create a const. We're going to name it items. There we go. And we're going to again grab it from the document with getElementsByClassName. And we're going to grab on to the classes of DOM_definition items, or just item. Okay, now let's console log our items and let's see what we got. We got this HTML collection of DOM definition item, and DOM definition item. Okay, so if we hover over them, you can see each one of them. So these three items we got. So as you can see, when we select multiple elements using the getElementsByClassName, this will give us a HTML collection of items, which is actually a node list. And as you can see, each item has an index just like an array, and this means that we can select them. Now, if we want to select a specific item from this, we can now treat it as an array and select, for example, the first one, which will, if we want, let's console log from the items, the first one, and just give us the first item. And now let's say we're going to take our items variable that we created, select the second one, and let's say .style, and call not this. Let's say .style, .color, and let's change its color to red. Okay, this is pretty easy. And now if we want to take the second item, so items, and let's take the third one. So using 2 and let's say style, let's say background color, and let's assign it a green background color. Let's say green and type red as usual. We could also take it, so items, and change. Let's grab the second one, change its inner HTML, or let's change its text content to, let's say, let's just say red. Boom, there we go. So it's red on a background color of green. Now the example above has selected the class name on a global scope. If you would want to select them on a local scope, or to be more specific with the UL, for example, then we could do the following. So let's say I create another const, and let's say list items, and let's grab them from the document with query selector. So using a single selector, and we're going to select the UL, so very first UL, and now getElementsByClassName. We're going to select multiple elements, and let's select the DOM definition elements again. So just going to copy this. Okay, so now we selected a tag and a class. A tag using a single selector. This will select the very first tag for my HTML, and then we selected a specific class with the getElementsByClass. So we selected multiple classes. So now let me console log this. Console log the list items, and let's see what we got. We got the first two items up here. Okay, so this and this one, and again in a HTML collection. The difference is that if I would now create somewhere outside this UL a node class of DOM definition item, the item would not be selected. Okay, so this is basically the difference between local and global scoping. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for getElementsByClassName. Next up, we're going to take a look at getElementsByTagName. So see you in the next one. Bye-bye.